Okay, now that we've talked about the project window, let's talk about the hierarchy window. Okay, so that's here to our left. And our hierarchy window is showing what's actually inside of our scene. So if I come back over here to my scene and double click on main, make sure we have main open. Okay, so I double click on menu and you see now menu's open, but I'm going to double click on main, so main's open. And so this would be our actual game, let's say. I can right click inside of my hierarchy and say I want to create a brand new 3D object and call it a cube. Okay, so here we have a cube inside of our scene, but this cube does not exist on disk anywhere. Okay, so if I come up here and I say save scene, right, so I just save my main scene, and I'm going to even say save project. I can come in here and I don't see cube anywhere, right? It doesn't exist on disk anywhere because where it exists is actually inside of my main.unity file. Okay, so that's where the cube exists, is in main.unity. So the project is a one-to-one match for what's on disk. A hierarchy is what we actually store inside of one of these scene files. Okay, so again, I can come in here and right click and say I want to create another one. I want to create a sphere, and this sphere I'll just kind of set on top of that guy. Okay. Now, if I wanted to, I can double click. So again, save that scene. I can actually double click on menu, and you see now I have a totally different hierarchy.